Okay, this is our last module, Module 7. Module 7 also includes your final exam. Both Module 7 and the final exam is due December 8th, 11:59 p.m. I can't take any late work after 11:59 p.m. So if you want something considered, that's your due date and time. Module 7 I've kept really brief so you can focus on your final exam. I am asking folks to read chapters 15 and chapter 16 out of your textbook. I've included chapters 15 and 16 PowerPoint slides as well, and there's a pretty neat TED video to watch titled Finding Sobriety on a Mountaintop. Then we get to the actual final exam. Students will compose a 5 to 6 page paper. You may see 5 to 6. In some places you may say 5 to 7. But I think your target is really 5 to 6, somewhere in that page count. And what we want to do is take some of the items we've learned from your textbook and from the outside material I've included and kind of synthesize that together in a big picture form. How do we do that? Click on the final exam package. That will bring up a Google Doc, and I'm asking folks to read through the assignment prompt and these instructions. I have an assignment goal. One of the goals is I'm sharing a large collection of really short videos with everybody from the addiction policy forum. You watched a couple of these videos in the very beginning of the class. And these videos, again, or some of these are duplicates you've already watched, but many of these you have not. We'll be talking about and looking at defining addiction and understanding addiction, navigating the treatment landscape. How do we navigate accessing and finding treatment for folks and the difficulties of that? Recovery. What is recovery? What does it mean? What's sustained recovery? Recovery requires us to be accountable. And you can see I've broken down the videos into 3 parts. Part 1, modules 1 and 2. Part 2, module 3. Part 3, modules 2, 4, 6, 7. So I'm going to ask you to watch videos. And then answer these questions within your 5 to 6 page count limit. Actually, in the meantime, so everybody can be on the same page, 5 to 6 pages. You will see that reflective on the Google Doc when you log in. I provided a Google or a rubric, a grading rubric. Of course, this submission is worth 320 points. So I would not wait till the last minute to do this. It will be a challenge. Scroll down. What videos will we be watching? Out of Module 1, Module 2, we'll watch videos like Addiction in the Brain. What's recovery and accountability? What's severity? Substance use severity and the DSM-5. Understanding those risk factors. What puts us at risk? Rock bottom. What does that mean? Is there such a thing? Why can't people just stop using? And the language we use, it matters. Or transition to treatment. Understanding treatment, assessment, evidence-based treatment, support groups, and so forth. These are supplemental videos. You don't necessarily have to. These are supplemental videos to include in your paper as well. But if I were you, in the amount of time that you have, I'd focus in on these videos, Module 2, 1 and 2 videos, and Module 3. And use these as supplemental if you have enough space. I don't think you will have enough space, but you certainly want to watch them for your own professional development. This is one of those things that it's due December 8th. You have some time to think about it, but not too long. Not too long to think about it. I am available to help you to synthesize this out, to talk about questions and answers and problems you may face and the approach you want to take. That can be done via video, text, or even email. I'm here to support you, but you have to reach out if you need that. You may not need help, and I totally understand. But I'm asking you to kind of synthesize and process everything we've done so far with a new layer of information that can actually be applied in the field with your practice, also family members and community members at the same time. These videos are actually coming out of an 8-hour class I teach for family members and community members. That's usually face-to-face, where we talk about the addictive process and what we believe, why we believe it, and how we can move forward as communities. It's good information. Thanks.